Right, let's just cover some real basics. So the line tool, for instance, draw single line, define start point in line. I don't care where it is, but if I hold the shift key down, you'll see the angle box goes orthogonal: 0, 90, 180, 270. So if I just hold the shift key down, just throw it off to the right, it means I don't have to type 0. Oh, I've let it slip there. And then tab into the length box, say 200mm. So that's a simple line drawn on. And now let's draw another line from the end point there at any angle we like. I'm going to pick any angle, any length. So nothing special about these lines, but it's very easy at TurboCAD to snap them to the ends. Right, so one of the simplest problems out there is, of course, how to bisect an angle, i.e. draw a line in between that's equal angles. So the traditional method on the drawing board would be to pick up an arc tool, or in this case we'll just use a circle. Doesn't matter what radius it is, but we just want to snip the line there and there. Draw a second circle, as long as it's greater than the division of that angle. And what I'm going to do is select it, press down on the control button, hold the control key down to do a copy. So all I've done is copy it up there, but now I'm going to pick it up, but just move it and snap it to the intersection of there. Now these points here are the bisectors. So we then pick up the line tool, go from the V there to the intersection of those two circles. Now let's make them a nice light yellow colour so they don't stand out. We don't need this circle anymore. In fact, we don't really need these two. Basically it's construction work. So we've drawn a bisecting angle. So if I pick up my angle dimensioning tool, we then zoom in, they're both the same angle. Now funnily enough, this is where CAD makes you lazy. You could actually go up to draw line bisector, pick first line, second line, choose the angle that you're bisecting, and I mean that's quick, innit? But it is nice sometimes to know how to do it the old-fashioned way. So in fact, let's pick up the line tool. We'll go from there to there, create an ordinary triangle, extend that line out to there. So that bisects that, bisects the angle. What if we bisect this angle as well? So draw line, bisector, that line, there, and we'll bisect the other one. Right, now if we then pick up, we'll do a circle tool just to show, I want to show an inscribed circle. So you click on the intersection there of these bisectors. Now you can see if you go to the shortest line out, it turns out to be the tangent to all three lines. Some nice Greek geometry proof, which I'm not going to go through because I'm getting old. But V. But I'll delete that. You don't have to get snapped to that one. You could easily go int, and I use J for a tangent. So basically you've got there an inscribed circle. There's another technique called the 3-point circle as well, which TurboCAD can do, which we'll maybe cover later. But that will do for this tutorial.